Aaron here with Fragrance Bottle, and we're going to talk about a bottle of fragrance today that y'all must know about. It's new. It's smelling great. It only got 3 notes in it, and it is Azzaro's The Most Wanted. Now this right here, guys, this is something in a bottle that's amazing. This fragrance is not like any other that I have smelled recently. Got this unique own little smell. It's sweet and woody, with that sweetness from the caramel as the middle note. And then the cardamom on the top. And then on the bottom, we got that, what is it, the amber? We got the amber on the bottom as the base. It's just so sweet and warm. Not spicy, like spicy. It's just sweet and warm and inviting and sensual. Like, if this is on you, you will get compliments. I get them all day when I'm at work. I've been wearing it for about 3 or 4 days, and they love it. And I work with a lot of girls. This right here will get you compliments like no other. It is $98 right now, but give it a while. Christmas time's coming around. It will probably go down. We'll find out. But this right here is an amazing smell, guys. I love the Azzaro line. Except for, I don't like the night one and I don't like the tonic one. So I basically like this one. And I like, obviously, the original. But this one right here, oh my God, guys, get you this. You want to get a compliment? Get you this. Not saying it's going to take her home with you, but you will get girls to say, hey, you smell good. What are you wearing? You will get a lot of good compliments, and it will boost your stamina and make you feel good. So get it now. Azzaro's The Most Wanted. Get it while it's, well, hold on. You can't get it while it's the last, because it's not even really in the stores, because it was sold out because I had to order it online. And it's not at the discounters yet. So guys, give it some time. It's going to end up at the discounters soon. But Aaron's out from the Fragrance Bottle, guys. Like, subscribe, and I'm going to send you some more.